The attendance module provides a complete solution to your office timekeeping. Apart from maintaining the daily attendance of all employees, this module helps the user to define their attendance rules, attendance, timekeeping, approval workflows. It also helps the user to maintain overtime management and employee scheduling through rosters. The Shift Master allows the user to define the shifts running in the organization. Let us show you by taking an example. You can type the shift name, select the type of shift, whether day or night, enter the in time of the shift, hours and minutes, enter the grace time in case you have a late marking policy, enter the out time. If you have a mandatory core time, you can define the core period also, and the break time, the start and the end time. You also have the facility to define a shift as a default shift. If no shift is assigned to any employee, then this default shift is applicable. The roster helps you to allocate the different shifts to employees based on your need. Now to create a roster, you have to select the company, the location. If you want to change individually, you can click on the employee, assign a new shift, a new with effect from date, put your remarks and save the form. You also have the facility of group editing. In case you have not allocated a roster or allocated a shift to an employee, the default shift will be applicable to him or her. Now that we have created the shift master and the roster, we move to set the attendance rule. The attendance rule can be set company-wise, employee type or category-wise. While setting your attendance rule, you can select the authorized HR or admin employee who would be responsible for doing the attendance regularization. You can also set the cutoff date for fetching your monthly attendance report for payroll. To set the rule as per your policy, you can set the minimum working hours an employee need to work, the overtime consideration in case if it is applicable. You can set the rule for shortfall hours and the rules for late coming or early going. Let us show you by an example. Now if you have a late coming policy, say 1 to 3 times, then you can define the number of days of leave and which type of leave to be deducted. That means when an employee comes late more than 3 times or less than 6 times, 2 number of casual leaves would be deducted. Similarly, if you have a rule for early going, then you can set it like the minimum to maximum number of times if an employee is leaving early, then what is the number of days of leave to be deducted. Once you have set your attendance rule as per your policy, you are ready to use the attendance module. Thank you for watching.